Hey guys, today's one of those days where nothing seems to go right. So I am on here with my front facing camera. This wasn't charged. I can't find my microphone, but we've got eggs and life does not stop because you're not prepared. So join me as I harvest our first clutch of eggs for 2026. I've already got the mom's bath there. Like I said, nothing's been going great. So you just saw my dirty dishes. It's okay, it's real life here. So we had a gigantic snowstorm or a fright of snowstorm. We lost power for like 2 hours, which is amazing for the amount of snow that we said we were gonna get. We didn't get very much, and to only lose power for a little bit is fantastic. But in the midst of that, we have other things that are going on. My husband decided we're gonna move, I think, so we've been house hunting in the snow, and I didn't have much of a time to do the dishes, but I have cleaned my animals. And then I found out, like I said, that we have a girl here that has eggs. So I'm gonna pull our first eggs of 2026. And then I have not done a blessings and lessons. I'll film one of those tomorrow and another one of those on Sunday to make sure we're all caught up. Thank you guys so much for following. And so the pairing for her, she is a clown, het VPI, and the dad was a VPI, a Cypress pastel VPI het clown. So let's see how many eggs we got. So she is fantastic. She's all wrapped up. She's looking at me. They're a little bit more sassy when they're on their eggs, but they're good moms. And I got her water tub sitting right there. So I'm going to get her off the eggs as quickly as possible without stressing her out too much. Ooh, she says she doesn't like that. Hang on. And we're going to grab. Yeah, Mama. Shh. You're okay. You're all right. I know. Where's your tail? Oh, I know, Mama. Let him go. Very good. In the water. Okay. So we got the eggs from her. She was such a good mom and very sweet with me. That was the first time I took the moms off the eggs. Usually Carl helps me. So that was awesome. And it looks like we have 6 beautiful eggs. That's so cool. So now I'm going to mark them, get the egg tray, set the mom aside, give me more workspace, and then we'll separate the eggs, mark them, and put them in the incubator. Oh, we gotta candle them too. Hey guys, I am here editing the video for you, and I realized that at some point, from when I was putting the mom away to when I started separating the eggs, my phone stopped recording for some weird reason. So I really apologize for that. I promise I'm a professional, or at least trying to be, and you guys deserve better, but I will do better next time and make sure that I record everything for my next 2 clutches coming up on how I separate the eggs. That's pretty much all you missed. Sucks, but I'll catch you on the next one. Keep watching though. So we got those other 3 eggs apart. Let me look and see about their veins. Got some good veins. Got some good veins. Got some good veins. And now I'm going to draw a little message. Okay guys, so I guess I also didn't push record when I was adding the cling wrap to the egg box, and I didn't push record when I had told you that I'm using Orbeez, 1 layer of Orbeez, a little bit of water, and then an egg tray on top So I think the Orbeez, in my mind, they help me. They're like a security blanket and make me think that I'm not going to splash water with the eggs. But that's how we use them. I sanitize everything, put the egg wrap on the, or put the cling wrap on them, put the lid on. Then I write on the lid of the egg trays the parents' names. So that was Onyx and Panda. Onyx and Panda Daydream, and then their lay date, which was the 29th, and then their hatch date, which is 60 days later, should be March 3rd. So you missed that part, but did all that and put them in the incubator. And so now they're in the incubator, and I've got my thermostat set. I like to put the date on that time for when the eggs hatch for day 60, because I usually incubate at 88, so it takes a little bit longer. Usually they pip right at day 60. So I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. We've got 2 girls that should be laying more eggs for us next week. It's exciting times here. Lots of crazy stuff going on. Stay tuned, because if we do move, we will be showing how I move these eggs. So, and how I move all these snakes into a new house. But stay tuned. Like I said, I'll do a lessons learned, blessings from last week tomorrow. I'll do another one for this week on Sunday. And as always, go have an adventure, go touch some grass, and please remember just how much you're loved.